What is up, guys? Welcome back to another great video on the channel. Today, I haven't made a video in a while, but we are going to do a massive Hot Wheels unboxing. A lot of ones that I just picked up that are really sick, and I want to show you all. So let's get this one right started, and we'll unbox all of them. 1995 Jeep Cherokee in this really nice green emerald color. What a nice scheme. I don't have my white Turner right here, so we're going to have to wait on that. 2020 Corvette C8. What a nice paint scheme. I love the C8 a lot. 1990 Acura NSX in my favorite blue color. Here's the car. Love the NSXs. Next we have the Tesla Roadster. Brand new paint scheme I didn't even know existed. This one also says best for track, so we're going to have to check that one out in the next video. Here is the Tesla Roadster. GMC Hummer EV. This one might be my favorite of the bunch. Audi ES e-tron GT. This is my second to last favorite one. This one is so cool. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing his name right, but Koenigsegg Gamera? I don't know, but let's unbox it. I found this one randomly on the Walmart shelves, and I knew I had to pick it up after I saw it on YouTube. And I'm sorry if you guys are getting blurry vision from the camera. I can't really tell. Here's the Lucid Air. I love this one. Here is the Lucid Air. Really sick. Next up, we have the Lotus Sport Elise. I really like this one. This one is really beefy and it has cool looking wheels. I give this one probably a 10 out of 10 if I had to rate it. And last but very not least, the Nissan Z Proto, the brand new Nissan. Let's unbox it. I will keep it in vision for this one. I'll keep you guys and I will not cut because this video is still going. Here it is. Now the only disadvantage I don't like of this car is they put golden wheels on a yellow car. I think they'll make other cooler paint schemes. I'm hoping they can make black, maybe a gold one. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. If you did, like and subscribe, turn on those notifications so you don't miss an upload. And you will see, if you subscribe, a lot more unboxings on this channel. Peace out, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. See ya.